You are a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, sun, moon, or rising, that is why you're watching this video. And I encourage you to check out the videos by rising sign also. So if you are, let's say you're a Gemini rising and you are watching this video, thank you for watching. This is definitely for you too, for sure. But also go check out the air sign video and see if that applies to your week or your feelings. But let's hop in right now to this reading. So this is for October 12th, and here we go. So by the end of this year, two big players, Jupiter and Saturn, will be out of your sign, Capricorn, and in Aquarius, where by the third week of 2021, the sun will join them in Aquarius, and there will be, this is non-negotiable, there will be upheaval. I promise. So what's coming through super strongly for right now is to stabilize yourself, and maybe in a way that you're not used to. So get clean and clear and honest with yourself and your energy. Anything that you have been doing that results in a sense of shame or guilt, clean it up, okay? This is going to be multi-layered. On the one hand, what you need to, excuse me, let me rephrase this. On the one hand, something that will help us move into this other energy more graciously and with a greater sense of ease, and allow us to grow and develop in ways that support ourselves and also support the collective, is by getting really clean and clear with ourselves about what our own belief system is. So areas where we have taken in the conditioning and made it a part of our story and accepted it as a lens through which we view the world, where that hurts us and hurts the collective, it's no longer going to result in the same kind of successes and gratification. So if you've been participating in systems, corporations, groups that are running on dishonest vibes, you are polluted, and it's time to clean that up and get really clear. Okay, so this, I know it sucks. You made a life for yourself. This is a little bit more emotional than I was anticipating. There are multiple storylines coming through around subjects of abuse of power, and where you have made agreements and decided to look the other way, even in the way that you think about something, where you have experienced a group, a belief system. There is definitely a group of people involved, leadership, people, folks that were placed on pedestals, and I'm feeling them as masculine identifying. These folks put on pedestals as being the individuals who decided what was right, what the process was, who informed how you decided if something felt right for you. There's a weird twisted thing in here that feels like the way that you know if something feels right to you is by what you learned through this other person, this person that was placed on a pedestal. It is time to be honest. Clear that up. If this applies to you, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Clear it up. It may be broader, more vague, lost in sort of a system thing where it's really around capitalism. This is going to apply to a huge swath of earth signs where concessions and agreements that you have made to accumulate wealth or materials it's like you're going to begin to feel the karmic consequences of some of those concessions that you've made that you know are not right. All right, let me just read directly from the thing so we can get this wrapped up. I wrote down that you're going to be super annoyed if you don't take this advice. Be honest with yourself, be honest with humans, be willing to use energy to check in to see if a task is aligned with your honest and authentic values, okay? So taking the extra effort, it will slow you down. I know your plate is full. This will be worth it. You will be so pissed. You will be so pissed if you have to clean this shit up when we're in Aquarius season in 2021, okay? So check in, understand that if the only things that you value are money, property, materialism, reputation, you will be judged by yourself. You're going to be the one who's doing the judging. It'll be you. It's not me. I'll be over here judging myself, okay? But you will be judged, not by how well you follow a playbook written by white men like the Bible, the Constitution, or some code of conduct at your higher education institution, or something is coming through like academia, but there's also sort of this group of writers. What are they writing? Another playbook? I don't know. Like a group of people that decide how things, what's normal, what the expectation is. Feels like there's a distinct problem here as it relates to the pandemic, where some group is acting like they value health and humans want the best for them. Democrats being on the side of health for the people, supposedly, but some of this is really not ringing true when it comes to actions, and if actions are speaking louder than words, be really careful. It'll be easy to feel like Republicans don't care about people's health, but really check in here when it comes to the systems and the groups. Just being aligned with blue doesn't mean that you actually are aligning with groups that are caring about people. The proof is in the pudding. It's time to check. Love and compassion. Make sure that you don't hoard reserves of love and compassion that actually need, like, if you keep something like that inside yourself and you don't use it or spend it, it will expire. All right, that's the Earth sign reading. I love you. Sorry if I suck. I'm sorry if this is not fun to hear, but I'm talking to myself too, okay? It's not easy, but we've got to clear this shit up. It's going to make a big difference, and you got this. Love you. Bye.